To use a virtual card at a gas station, it must be added to a digital wallet, such as Apple Pay. This can be done by opening the wallet app on your device, tapping the plus icon, and selecting debit or credit card. Then, enter the card information, including the expiration date, card number, and security code, and submit it. Once the card is added, you can use it through the digital wallet. Before filling up, it's a good idea to check the gas station's website to confirm that they accept contactless payments. To pay for gas, go to a pump and follow the payment instructions on the display. Activate Apple Pay by double-tapping the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Then hold your phone or watch next to the contactless payment reader until you hear a beep or see a check on the screen. If the payment doesn't work at the pump, you can try again at the payment terminal inside the store. With these simple steps, using a virtual card at a gas station is a straightforward process.